everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Antoinette. If it's your first time here, this channel is all about faith, hair, and lifestyle. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I grow, how I moisturize, and how I keep my daughter's curls strong. After I tried so many other products on the market, this product is so inexpensive, guys, you would not believe it. My daughter is mixed. My daughter has natural curls, but guess what? I have relaxed hair and it works amazing for me a long time. It has many good health benefits, but today we're going to focus on the hair benefits. I've seen a lot of tremendous growth. My hair is stronger and the shine is amazing. My daughter's curls, the hair is so moisturized and the hair has grown tremendously, guys. This product I'm talking about is no other than aloe vera. Aloe vera has been one of the products that I think up until recently many people didn't know the benefits, including myself, because growing up, I used to see aloe vera all around, but I never knew how great and how beneficial this aloe vera can be, or aloe vera is. And aloe vera is suitable for most hair types, if not all. I have relaxed hair, my daughter has curly hair. Aloe vera is really good, guys. So if you have not tried it, get your hands on the aloe vera. If you're in Ghana, you can get aloe vera from your local markets. You can get it from your gardeners around. You can also get it and grow it yourself. I always used to get it from my gardener, but now I actually grow my own aloe vera at home. Sometimes if I need a lot, I still go out and get it from the market, or I get it from my gardener. In the US, you can grab an aloe vera from your Asian market. You can grab it from your Hispanic stores. It's 100% all natural, but then again, also I would urge you to always try a sample on your skin before you apply it all over your head.
I have tried it and it works for me, it works for my kids, it works for my sister.
Alright guys, keep on watching as I show you how I prep my aloe vera for the leave-in conditioner. Okay guys, so that was a video about how I prep my aloe vera, about how I extract the juice or the gel out of the aloe vera, and also how I apply the aloe vera as a leave-in conditioner on my daughter's curls. You should try it. Let me know how it works for you because we love it around here. It's helping us, it's helping our hair grow, it's making our hair strong, and it's giving us so much moisture to our hair. I have relaxed hair, and this product has given my hair so much shine and strength, and my hair has grown, and my daughter's hair has grown, guys. So try it and let me know how it works. Also, if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.